Back to the fourth episode on boxing. Today we're going to learn, like I said again, how to throw left and right hook.
Goodness, fitness, and lifestyle.
Okay, the basic is when you throw hooks, you want to keep your elbows up high, your hand fist cross. When you throw it, your leg turn with your body. So it's not this, none of this. That's not a hook. Hook from here, hands up, turn, slow, elbows up, and my right hand, same thing, turn. So it looks like this. Turn the body. Body. The basic of a hook is to make sure when you hook, you turn with the body, because everything comes from the body. So what we learned in the last episode is how to jab. 1, 2 was the last one. 1, 2, and then 2 over. So how it works when you throw a hook, when I throw a 2, which is a straight, for me, straight left, hands up. When I throw a hook, it turns and it comes back. That's how it works. So if I do it, it looks like this. If I do a speed, boom, 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 hook. So it's on the hook. So you gotta practice, practice, and practice. Turn, 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 turn. Make sure the elbow is up high. Both elbows is up high. Left hook, elbow up high. Right hook, elbow up high. So you could practice with a straight, 2, chin cover, hook. 2, chin cover, hook. And hook, you cover it again. And then you come back 2. So practice this. 2, hook, 2. Hook. Again, 2, hook, 2. When you put all the punches together, this is what it looks like. I'll do it slow down. So from the beginning, I showed you before, you want to stay on your toes. You want to stay on your toes. All strong. Head out. Hands up high. Now to do proper hooks, I'm using this wire. I don't have a, but any type of, string, anything you can use. Shoulder. So I did that, kept my arms up, and then you could do again, backwards. So that's what you want to practice, going up, bending your knees. See my knees? I bend them, my knees is bent, I go up another side, on my shoulder, and once I go up, my hook comes up. And then the other side, up, and it comes up. You don't wanna drop like this. This is not what you wanna do. It's something, same thing. It's like when you deadlift, you keep your body straight. This is what you wanna do. Same thing. Drop, drop, drop. Drop your knees. Drop, drop. And then from there, I'm gonna show you with a hook and uppercut. So I'm gonna go uppercut and then I'm gonna hook. So for my right hand side. Once again I said shoulder length apart, your legs shoulder length apart. Arms up, cover my face, elbows in. So it looks like this. I'm gonna do it faster now. Boom, 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 boom. Other side. Cut. Hook, I mean. Other side. Hook. So upcut, hook. Upcut, hook. Upcut, hook. Upcut, hook. And then what you want to do, you want to practice that going backwards as well. So the other thing is your opponent is coming backwards towards you, so you got to practice fighting backwards too. You're not always fighting forward, so you have to practice fighting backwards. So when you're going backwards, you want to come up, hook, step back, upcut, hook, step back, upcut, hook, step back, upcut, hook, step back, upcut, hook. So those are what you want to practice. So all you need is a string. Keep it at least shoulder length, so you can duck under. Wrong way of doing it. This is wrong. This is wrong. Those are wrong ways of doing it. Like, once again, if you go back to the beginning of my videos, you'll see hands up. You want to keep your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Protect yourself all the time. Hands up. Backwards. Frontwards. Backwards. And from there, there's many moves you could do that. Because from here we could start, or we could do from the beginning where you 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, hook, 1, 2, hook, 1, 2, hook. So practice those moves. Start from video 1 if you haven't seen. And thanks again for watching. And if you like, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and make sure you turn on your notifications. Thank you.